Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. How are you doing today? So I had bought, some of these blenders to help me determine what I was going to do with this. I thought I had the pattern in my head. I saw it. It was just which color of these am I going to use to go with this? I was thinking two colors and Bob's my uncle and a quilt is made. And then I kept looking at it and I cannot decide which two colors to use. I mean, I've got the denim back there that is absolutely gorgeous. And I could probably, if I was going to do the two color, I would be using it for right in there. But I don't know why it hit me. It was late yesterday afternoon, and I went and I actually downloaded the pattern this morning. But I had always loved the beads pattern that Donna Jordan had made. And I think she had it on a white background or anything, but I don't know if you remember this pattern or not. I think I am going to do this and all of the white in there. The background will be black. And then I'm going to use this as the backing of the quilt. That way I will not have to cut into this, which I haven't been able to bring myself to do it, but yet I'll still be able to use it because, me and my cutting skills, I would try to get this perfectly cut, and probably of all of these little butterflies or medallions, whatever you want to call them, I would probably end up only getting 2 or 3 usable ones. You know what I'm saying? So if I don't cut it at all, I can still use it. Tell me, am I crazy or is this a good idea? Because I can use some of all of these or most of these. I don't know if this red and this orange goes in, but on the front of it, it could be almost like gemstones or something sparkling against the black. I might even have something I could use for a diamond. I don't know. But what do you think about that? Do you think that this will work? Let me know. Talk to you later.